Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is Chetna. So today I'm gonna tell you 7 tips how to improve your drawing skills, and you can improve your drawing skills by using these tips because these tips are very important for a beginners, and then follow these tips. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and if you like this video, please share this video with your friend. So now let's move on to the video. Number 1. Keep a daily sketchbook. Daily sketching can greatly improve your drawing. For those who are new to drawing, sketching regularly is a great way to hone your skills. You can practice it with small steps. Start drawing with all the things around you like box, tree, human body parts, animals and birds. Practice shading in different ways. Do fun exercise every day. Set timer for 5 minutes and start drawing different shapes and lines. And when the time is up, look at the things made by yourself and measure them. Do this every day, it will improve your freehand drawing. Number 3. Draw with your imagination. Drawing with your imagination increase your creativity. You can do something new in your art with imagination. Number 4. Challenge yourself daily and work hard. Give yourself a new challenge every day. With this, you will try something new every day and you have to work hard. You should have a knowledge of the techniques and basic principle of the art. At the same time, you have to practice. Number 5. Observation. Observational art is to draw or paint a subject as accurately as possible. The subject may be still life, figure model, portrait or landscape, and the image must be created from real life. So learn to observe things. Number 6. Go draw something and repeat. Draw any shape and draw it again and again. With its practice, you will have a better grip on your pencil and also get the shape very quickly and accurately. Number 7. Enjoy your art. Don't take any kind of burden of drawing. Do it comfortably because art means enjoyment, so draw it with enjoy.